Good morning, families and friends. You see, our topic for this morning is the final call and the faithful remnant. See, I want you to imagine standing at the edge of history, watching the world around you crumble under judgment, yet hearing a voice calling you to safety. So in Revelation 18, verse 4, God cries out, "Come out of her, my people." See, this is more than a message to ancient believers. It is a final divine call to leave Babylon, which is a symbol of spiritual confusion, apostasy, and compromised religion. See, as the world nears the close of probation, God invites his faithful to separate from false worship, deception, and systems aligned with evil. See, this is the loud cry of the third angel, the last opportunity for a global spiritual separation between loyalty to God and loyalty to the beast. See, but God's plan doesn't stop at warning. He promises a people prepared. In Revelation 7:4-5, we meet the 144,000 sealed and steadfast, which is a symbolic representation of the faithful end-time generation. Their seal is not marked on their forehead, but its imprint of God's character in their lives, showing unwavering loyalty to his law and faithful to Jesus. And in Revelation 7:14, we see the great multitude from every nation who have survived the great tribulation. See, their robes washed in the blood of the Lamb. They stand victorious before God. See, this reminds us that end-time salvation is wide and inclusive for all who persevere and cling to Christ amid the final crisis. Friends, the message is urgent. God is calling his people now. Will we respond? You see, friends, will you leave behind all that oppose him and allow his character to be formed in us? See, Revelation invites us to stand firmly, persevere, and ultimately share in the victory of the redeemed. See, friends, the choice is ours, but history is watching and eternity awaits. God bless.